The notification for the second phase of Lok Sabha elections has been issued. The elections will be held in 88 Lok Sabha seats in 12 states, including one union territory in this phase. National Testing Agency has issued advance intimation slip for the allotment of examination city to the applicants who are appearing for the second session of the JEE Mains exam this year. Army Commanders Conference 2024 is starting from today in hybrid mode in New Delhi. Rajnath Singh will address the gathering and interact with senior military leadership on the 2nd of next month. All universities have been directed to use net score for admission to PhD programs instead of conducting entrance tests starting from the academic session 2024-25. The centre has extended the Armed Forces Special Powers Act or AFSPA in 8 districts and 21 police stations in 5 other districts of Nagaland with effect from April 1st this year.